The V2 Mini Drone 8K Profession is an impressive compact drone designed for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Boasting a high-resolution 8K camera, this drone captures stunning, crystal-clear images and videos, making it ideal for hobbyists who want to document their adventures with professional quality. The 180 degrees HD wide-angle lens provides expansive shots, ensuring that users can capture more of their surroundings in a single frame, which is perfect for landscape photography and immersive aerial footage. One of the standout features of the V2 Mini Drone is its Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, capability. This allows pilots to connect their smartphones or tablets to the drone and view real-time footage, enhancing the flying experience and providing better control and framing. The drone's RC control system is intuitive, making it accessible to kids and beginners, while still offering advanced functionalities for more experienced pilots. The foldable design of the drone enhances portability, making it easy to carry around for outdoor adventures or travel. Its compact size does not compromise on performance, as it maintains stable flight and height keep functions, allowing users to hover steadily and capture smooth footage. Additionally, the drone features various flight modes, including altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and various gesture controls, adding to its ease of use. Safety and durability are also considered in its design, making it a suitable toy for kids. The lightweight build ensures safe indoor and outdoor play without much risk of damage. Overall, the V2 Mini Drone 8K Profession offers an excellent combination of advanced camera features, user-friendly controls, and portability, making it a top choice for aerial photography enthusiasts and young drone explorers alike.